Hello everyone and welcome back to Leighton Vans. Now back on home turf in the LV1 showroom. We've been out and about here, there and everywhere. And yeah, stood behind something completely off brand but looks super cool. So behind us we have got one of the brand new 2023 Ford Rangers. As you can see, this isn't just a normal Ford Ranger. This is, well, it's a predator. It is an absolute monster. Now, there's some super exciting things on the way for us as a company and for you, the customer, and it's just exciting times ahead all around. We've got super cool stuff happening with the vans, and now we're looking at branching out into the pickups. So what have we got behind us? We have got a brand new Ford Ranger Wildtrak. This started off as a base Wildtrak. It's a 2 litre bi-turbo, 205 brake horsepower, 10-speed automatic. You've got selectable 4-wheel drive, high and low range. It's got all the off-road control. It is basically an Amarok, however, with the Ford Ranger body on there. So, what's different over standard? Well, we'll start at the front. First of all, we've got the Predator front bar, which makes the front end of this look super aggressive. Moving up, we've got the headlight surrounds. We've also got the illuminated DRL grille, which I think makes a massive change to the front end. It looks so OEM, it's awesome. Moving round, we've got the monster wheel arches there, so it's wide arched. We've got a set of 20-inch Predator rims on there with a 2-inch lift, so that's replacement dampers and replacement leaf springs on the back. So it's lifted 2 inches up in the air, which means we can fit 20-inch alloys with a 33-inch tyre on there, which just looks like a beast, doesn't it? And then moving round to the side, we've got the wing vents on there. We've got the Predator logos. We've got a whole black pack on the vehicle, so everything that was silver or dull has been gloss blacked, including majority of the stuff on the front end to tie in with the grille, the nudge bar. We've then got that roof pod on top, which to me just finishes the cab off. It's quite a sloping cab on these, so having something to square off that cab makes a massive difference. That's fitted with 4 individual laser lights, which are wired to the main beam. So not just for looks, the practicality of that on country lanes, green lanes, B roads, awesome. Moving around to the back, we've got the same arches on there. We've got the standard Ranger tub bars that run down the side of the load tub, but we've got on there, we've got a load cover, a retractable load cover. Moving round to the back, we've got tinted rear lights. We've also got the light guards around the rear lights as well. And we've got that awesome looking Predator logo in across the bonnet. So moving on to the inside, we haven't actually touched the inside because, to be honest with you, it's a nice enough place to be as it is. You've got the full Wildtrak leather seating in there, the big tablet screen with wireless CarPlay, the virtual dash, all the off-road controls, your 2-wheel, 4-wheel, high and low range selector. And yeah, it is a really nice place to be inside, so there's not that much that needs doing, we don't think. The main thing that these trucks need is that on the outside. They need 2-inch lift, big wheels, big tyres, and it just changes the look of it completely. And I have driven this around an hour and a half on the M1, and the tyre noise is very minimal. I'm not going to say you're not going to get any. We've got 33-inch tyres with an aggressive tread on there, mud terrain tyre. If you haven't got the radio on, you can hear some tyre noise. I'll not pull the wool over your eyes, but as soon as you start to turn that radio up a little bit to a normal driving volume, you can't hear it. It doesn't bother you. The lift kit hasn't changed the ride quality much at all. It still rides very much like a standard Ranger, but obviously you can tell you're just 2 inches higher up in the air. So all in all, absolutely chuffed with it. It's an awesome pickup truck. So what are we doing, Leighton, in regards to pickup trucks? Well, this one is built, it's sat here, it's advertised for sale, it's ready to go. We can have this turned around in absolutely no time at all. So this one is for sale through the sales department of Leighton. We have also got some coming onto the rental fleet. So the 12-month rental fleet, which are available with the same packs on, that's not a problem. We've also got some Amaroks coming through for the sales department and also the rental department as well. Now, we can make an Amarok look pretty much like this. We've got a couple of little bits of testing to do on certain things first. The Ranger came out quite a bit before the Amarok, so there's a lot more product offering out there for the Ranger at the minute, but we are going to sort a product offering for the Amarok, and we're going to make it look as good as this. But also, it doesn't stop there. You can buy one from us, you can rent one from us, but also if you have a Ranger or you have an Amarok and you want some of this treatment doing to your vehicle, get in touch, because we can supply and fit that down in our awesome LV2 workshop just further down the road. So if you want any more information, you want to come and have a look around this one before it inevitably gets snapped up and disappears out of the showroom very quickly, then pop down and see us. If you want some more information, we can get you quotes over the phone, over email, or drop us a message on social media, and we can help turn your pickup into an absolute beast.